This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. We know that material price can be changed by using MR21, okay, and we can update the prices. And we have, if you want to know the report, to know all the price changing documents, we have SAP standard report, okay. This transaction code is not available in, is not look like normal our reporting and all. Okay, there is a report called CK MPC SCARCH, searching for price change documents. Okay. In this report, we can get all the different kind of price changing documents. Let us check it. 2015 to 2020. Okay. Document items for each material or documents. We can see how you want to see the report, and you can input the plant, or else you can you want to check for all plants. You can give a star, and posting year, in which year it was posted. Okay. The period also we can input. The date range also we can input it. Whatever the range, let us search for the documents. So if you, based on material also we can get this report. Like I mentioned, you can check the in detailed way. Okay. If you see the change layout, there are many other information also we can add it based on the client requirement. Okay, they can create their own layout. Okay, let us see the what kind of details we are able to see here. See the material and material plant. Okay, and the transaction type is price change anyway. In which year it was changed, and what is the material document when it was posted, what is the period, and the posting year, and what is the price, the total amount of change, the amount of change, what kind of, how much amount of change was happened. Those details we can see here. And if you see that other view, for example, there is other view, only documents, then system will not show you the material in detail, only the document number will be visible, who is the user, when it was entered, and what is the time. Those details can be seen. And if you double click on the material document, okay, then system will take you to the material document display, and where we can see the document details in detail, the price change, whatever the details, we can have a look. Okay, when it was changed, and you can go navigate to the accounting documents from here. So the price change history, the price change documents, if you want to see, we can use SAP standard report CKMPC search. In this report, we can get the list of price change documents along with the material and how much price change was happened, the value of the change, and the user ID who has done it, which post, when it was entered, and what is the year. All the information we can get in this report. So you can see here the display details, whatever the document we have posted. Okay, so here the document details, the user ID, entered details, everything we can see. There are two layouts available that will show only documents, and this can show you along with the material and the amount. And here we can add it, for example, when it was entered, material price determination control. Okay, what is the material price determination control, and if we have any other details, ML transaction type, universal document, valuation type, special stock, posting date, okay, when it was posted. And if you want to see the material description, so these information also we can see here. Okay. Okay. I have taken two different materials, one material with moving average price and another one is standard price, just to show that this report will show you the price changing which are related to both moving average price and standard price. Okay, let us check this both 239 or 246 materials. Go to SS16N and MBW, pass the materials. Violation area GK P1, and we can see here, yes, one material is moving average price and another one is standard price. Okay, this CK MPC sets report will show you the price changing documents related to the materials which have both moving average price and standard price control. Just to confirm that, I have taken two different type of materials to show you. Okay, I hope you have understood about the usage of price change documents report and how to change the price and how it is getting updated. We can see the two different type of views, like with material and with only documentation. We have two options in the settings that you can check it, and we have multiple inputs. You can, based on the posting date or based on plant specific materials, so all these kind of data you can get it. Thanks for watching, and check my other videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share with all of you circle who are preparing for SAP or who are working on SAP. Few would be helpful for revise and few would be helpful for updating the skills. Thanks again for your time. Have a good evening.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good, and thanks for your strong support. I came with this video. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to download a report output in Excel sheet as an Excel format. If you want to download, what is the process? In this video, we are going to learn. I used to get that one when we are downloading, the formats are getting changed, and because SAP has given different kind of formats, mostly we prefer Excel sheet, which is very good for the reporting or to do any analysis. After that, if you want to do any kind of VLOOKUP, or if you want to do any pivot tables, anything, if you want to do that one, Excel sheet will be always compatible for us. So it will be convenient to do the reporting. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about three reports which are quite popular in SAP MM especially. So I'm going to teach you how to download that. Let's go to the topic. First, I will take ME2N, okay, which is related to the purchase orders. So go to ME2N, and you can select the scope of list. See, based on our output, it will be visible different kind of best ALV or what kind of ALV you want. For example, if you take best ALV and document type, you can give some output. You can see best ALV, RLs, everything there, everything possible. That output also, we can say whatever the output you wanted to see, you can take that output. After you get the output, go to list. Okay, go to the menu tab, go to list, and in this list, go to export and click on spreadsheet. So go to menu, under the menu, go to export, and after that, you have to select the option spreadsheet. Once you click on spreadsheet, you will see that how you wanted to have, whether you want to have a normal Excel, that also fine, or else if you want to specific, you want to go to 2007 Office Excel, whatever the format, you can compare with the different formats, how does it look like and all. You can select the required format which you want to download. Okay, in which format you want to download the data, you just select your format and click on continue. Once you click on continue, system will ask you that in which format, how you want to store it. You can give your name, for example, GKP1 PO. GKP1 purchase orders. Okay, click on save, just allow. So system will download the data. Just click on yes. Okay. So entire PO will be downloaded. So you can see here the data wise how you want to verify it. Okay, what is the purchase document, and inside if you want to go through the details, how we can use our Excel sheet, this format can be used it. So this is the way how you can download the list of purchase orders into Excel. Now I'm going to show you the similar one for another popular report, MB51. MB51 is the material document list where you always use, especially the inventory team will check how many transactions happened today and how many goods movement happened today. Okay, what are the reversal transactions and whether we posted everything, what is the balance, anything you want to know, the logistics, the inventory team will check these kind of reports. Give the posting date. Okay, posting date and input the plant. So whatever plant you want to do, then execute it. So system will give this output. So you can select this format of detail list. Okay, so what are the data you wanted to show, you can just show the detail list here. So these are the information. Now if you want to download it, you can download. Go to, okay, we can have the data, what are information. Here you can see if you want to add any other data. For example, if you have a less data, you wanted to add few more, you can add that also. Company code, order unit, order price unit, quantity of PO unit. Okay. So if you want to have more columns, if you want to have, you can add it. So once you get this data, go to list and click on export, same option, and then click on spreadsheet. So you can select the same XML, same Excel format. Okay, or else you can select the 2007. So you can select the option, what is the kind of material documents. Okay, you can see the difference between the 2007 and this one. Okay. So this is the way we have downloaded the complete Excel sheet, and based on your selections. Okay, what are the columns are required for the business, the same thing you can select the number of fields. Okay, if you don't have the data, why should you increase the file size so that you can plan it? System will show it wherever what kind of movements happened and what is the material document number and what is the item. Okay, what is the posting date, all the information we can see. So this is the way how we download the standard reports by using this list export spreadsheet. Okay, before closing the session, I'm going to show you one more important report, stock report. Okay, in stock report, you can see the in which view you wanted to see. For example, hierarchical or non-hierarchical. For example, if you select this hierarchical, system will show like this. Okay, so the material and then the locations and all, but we mostly use this non-hierarchical because it looks good. So it will show the each one as a one line item for all the materials. And if you go to list, export, spreadsheet. Okay, you can select the default Excel. So I'm going to give the name GKP1 stock balance. Okay, what is the stock balance available in our plant? The same thing we are going to show. So this is the way how we can get the report. You can just get this report and give some colors and whatever you wanted to keep. Okay. So system will give you the consolidated and the sum of the value and sum of the quantity. Okay, so this report can be shared with the respective team who is expecting the report, and how to download to Excel sheet, that also we can teach to the users. So this is a way how you can download the reports from how to download the reports in the required format. Mostly we use Excel, so that I taught you Excel. You can try the different formats, how does it look like, and when can be used such kind of formats and all. You can explore on your own. Okay, this will, I hope this video has given you a good understanding how to download the reports. And if you know very well, you just share the video with your juniors or with your any SAP circle. Keep watching my videos and share with your SAP circle. If you feel the video is good, just put a like button. Okay, your like button can encourage to make more videos. Once again, thanks to everyone. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. In this video, we will learn one small point, like we know that MM invoice receipt can be created in multiple ways. For example, we can create invoice verification manually with Miro, or we can create automatically with MRRL transaction, like for all ERS related evaluated receipt settlement related invoices can be created with MRRL transaction code. Okay, so if you have a requirement that there is a report is required in a custom report, you want to have a column to know all the invoices related to ERS. Okay, or else you want to know that what are the invoices which are created manually with Miro transaction code. So if you want to identify, if you want to have a report of a list of invoices which are created through ERS, you can find out in this way. Go to SC16N. The table is RBKP. Okay, RBKP is the table which is related to invoice receipt. Invoice receipt header. Here you need to pass the which document year you need it. For example, you want from 2018 to 2019, and you have to pass the transaction code MRRL. What is this MRRL? In evaluated receipt settlement, MRRL. So the invoices which are related to ERS, for example, the vendors who agreed with the company, who is the customer, I am going to provide you always the similar price, okay, based on your goods receipt. So there is no manual invoice verification is required, and the invoice receipt can be created automatically based on the goods receipt document. So what we do is, for this MRRL transaction code, we keep a batch job which runs for every half an hour, every 1 hour based on the business requirement. So that system will check what are the goods receipts done in this for this company, for this plant, and what are the inputs you are giving. For example, the company code GKCC, and for the plant GKP1. Okay, and we can select the option MRRL GKCC, and plant is GKP1. Okay, settle goods is a plant value cost, document selection paradigm, test run. When you want to do the test run, normal run. What are the goods receipt documents posted which are relevant to the vendor who accepted the ERS flag? Okay, so those goods receipt document related documents will be visible in the output, so that we can generate the invoice receipt. Okay, so we can use this option to generate the invoice receipt. We can see the PO, okay, and see the purchase order, goods receipt is posted, and invoice receipt are what you call invoice receipt, or we can say that credit memo If it is a reversal, credit memo will be created 102 or 161 credit memo will be created. If it is 101, system will generate the invoice verification. Okay. So here, let us check this invoice tab. See, the ERS flag is available means we can create the invoice based on the MRRL transaction code. From where it will come? Let us check the vendor master. You go to the vendor. If you double click here, system will take you to the vendor master. Go to purchasing data. Okay, here we can see this flag. See, auto evaluation of GR settlement. Click on F1 to see the details properly. See, evaluated receipt settlement is required or not. Specifies that the ERS or the automatic generation of invoices according to invoicing plan is to be possible or not. So the ERS activation need to be done at the vendor master level. So those vendors are valid for the doing the ERS functionality. You can use the ERS functionality. So that what is evaluated receipt settlement? There will not be any manual invoice creation. Once the goods receipt is posted, based on the document, we can generate the invoice receipt in the backend. Okay, that is about the MRRL. Even we have in my blog also there is a document about this. Okay, we can see here. Google Ganesh ERS, SAP ERS. If you just click this one, see evaluated receipt settlement for invoice verification. There is a document in my blog. You can check about in detail about the ERS. In this document, you can click on here and download it. Okay. Now, our purpose of the video is how to identify the list of invoices which are created through MRRL. Okay, so give your financial year and under RBKP table, give the transaction code MRRL and execute it. So now you get the list of invoices which are created through ERS functionality. You can get the list of invoices. For example, you want to know that list of invoices which are created through Miro. You can pass the Miro transaction code and get all those invoice receipt documents. Okay, you want to know that what are the cancelled related MR item. Okay, so you can get this invoice verification which are cancelled, and it's a credit memo. Okay, this is how we can get the invoice receipt documents which are related to cancelled invoice document, or whether it is related to ERS, or whether it is related to manual creation. These details can be seen in the table RBKP, and how we have passed the data, and we can get the list of invoices. This can be used when you want to take a report, or else you want to use any custom program, you want to use this logic, then you can utilize that. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and check my other SAP MM related videos like logistic invoice verification, MMFI integration, and discussions on automatic account determination. Okay, those videos will be helpful for both SAP MM and PICO consultants. And you can check the videos and provide you valuable feedback. And thanks for your time. Have a good evening.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, good morning. I hope all are doing good, and I come up with some interview questions. I'm planning for one question for one video with some explanation about the business requirement and any other way how we can utilize that functionality. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one question. In this question, it will be helpful for you to get it kind of reporting in purchasing. Okay, let's go through the interview question first. Okay, how to get the list of purchase orders. Okay, if you see that how to get the list of rejected purchase orders in SAP MM. Okay, normal list of purchase orders we can get, but if you want to get the rejected purchase orders, how do you get that? And we can get in two ways. One is we can get from the SAP standard report ME2N or any other report kind of ME2N or ME2M or ME2L, any these kind of report by using the dynamic selections. I will show you how to get the rejected purchase orders by using dynamic selections. In the same way, we can get from SAP standard head purchase order header table EKKO. Okay, and in what circumstances we use ME2N kind of standard report and EKKO table. For example, you got a ticket from the business and they are asking like we want to see the list of purchase orders which are rejected. For user, we suggest them in ME2N, we can get the list of purchase orders which are rejected and we can help them to create a variant. Okay. We can help them to create a variant how to get the list of purchase orders which are rejected in that way. You have to develop a custom report where you want to display a column, the data related to rejected purchase orders. At that point of time, we use the EKKO table. That logic we need to inform to ABAP to build the logic in that custom report to display the list of purchase orders which are rejected. Okay, in two ways, these two cases we can use in for the two different purposes. Let's go through the SAP how to see the data. First, we'll see ME2N. Directly, you can give ME2N or else go to SAP 1 where our all SAP standard maximum of SAP standard reports are provided here. Go to material management, purchasing, purchase order, and then ME2N. You can use any of that reports. Here, I will directly go with the purpose and how to create a variant also I will explain you. Now if you go to the dynamic selections and then purchase document header. When you go for purchase document header, you just drag down. One understanding is after release details, you will get this field. Okay, this is the one. Purchase document process state. Double click on that and then go to options FO. In these options, you will see the different status of purchasing document. Now our requirement is rejected, so that select 08. Okay. And any other information you want to fix for that user, or else if you want to create a generic variant, you can create with this. And we ask them to use, once you select the variant, give your respective plant and purchasing organization, whatever you want to do. User doesn't have to go to these dynamic selections every time and select it. That's why we create a variant. How to create a variant now? Click on save. Okay. User, or else you can give rejected underscore PO rejected PO list. Okay, you can give a name like that and click on save. Okay, what is the purpose of variant now? Now user will go to ME2N T code and he click on this get variant option and he will use PO underscore rejected. Okay, both are similar kind of variants. You just select PO underscore rejected. See, now the field is already selected in the dynamic selections. Now user can input the document date, Okay, any document date, which range he want to see. Okay, and also if he wants to check for a specific purchasing organization, he can input the purchasing organization, he can input the plant, all the parameters, and then execute it. Okay, now he can see the list of purchase orders which are rejected. Okay, again I am displaying rejected PO list, and user can input any other information which he wants to select and then execute it. This is IDES system, so we have very less information, so that without giving date, you can run and get the details. But in real system, you will have hundreds and thousands of purchase orders, so that we need to input document date or purchasing organization, plant, purchasing organization, these kind of specific parameters, so that you will get the specific information. Now execute it. See, you got the purchase orders. Let's go through any of one purchase order. See whether it is rejected or not. You just go to the change mode so that you will see that option. See here there is an icon, cancel rejection. Means this purchase order is rejected, you want to cancel. Okay, this is how you get the list of rejected purchase orders by using SAP standard transaction code. Now we will see how to get from a SAP standard table. You can use the transaction code SC16N or else SC16 and give the table EKKO. Okay. Control Z. Yeah, this is the field process STAT. If you don't know, you need to verify and check it. Okay. If you know some 10, you have to search how I have searched just now. Now go to the options. Select rejected and execute it. See, now you got the 2 purchase orders which are rejected. If you go to the ME23N, the same purchase order which we have seen just now. See, this is the details. But if you go to change mode, then you will come to know the rejection, how you want to cancel. You cancel the rejection and save it. Okay, if you want to cancel the rejection, this is the way how you want to do. Okay, finally, what are the things we learned in this specific topic? How to get the list of rejected purchase orders through the table and also through SAP standard T code. And also we learned how to create a variant. What is the purpose of variant? User doesn't have to input specific details every time. Okay, if you select the variant, some of the information like rejected indicator, rejected status, all those things will come automatically. He will just input the respective date and execute the report. We are making simplify the reporting. Okay, otherwise they need to search every time, go to dynamic selections and search all the options which is better. Okay, how to create variant, how to get the list of rejected purchase orders with standard table and also with transaction code. And also how to cancel the rejection also we have seen. We can use ME22N transaction code to cancel the rejection. Okay, this is about this rejected purchase orders. I hope this is helpful for you, and this can be treated as an interview question. This can be treated as an incident. If user is asking you, please provide me solution how to get the list of purchase orders. Then you create a variant and guide them how to get the report. That's an incident. And if there is a custom report for purchase orders which is developed in your project, when you're working as a support consultant, at that point of time there is a requirement to add additional columns, details for the rejected purchase orders. Then you use this EKKO, the process state logic, to get the list of purchase orders and update the functional specification to ABAP to add into your report. If you're working in an implementation and the business has requested you to have the list of rejected purchase orders in specific custom report, then we can use EKKO. And if they want to check only the rejected purchase orders, you don't have to go for any custom development. You just create the variant and explain user to get use of standard report. We always try to utilize maximum as we can the standard reports. If it is going beyond that, the business is not uh, satisfied, or the information which is coming in the standard report is not sufficient for them, at that time we have to go for a custom report. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep sharing if you like the videos. Thanks for your support. Have a good day.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Hi, good evening everyone. In this video, I will tell you about SAP Standard Inventory Report. Many of you are aware, or if you don't know that, it's good to know about this SAP Standard Transaction Code. How to know the list of cancelled material documents along with the original document. Do we have any such kind of SAP Standard report to get the list of cancelled material documents along with original document? We can get from MSEC table and the table wise. Yes, there is a SAP Standard report which I'm going to show you now. This report can be used to get the list of cancelled documents along with the posting date and the original document, all the information. Let us check the report now. The report is MBSM. We can MBSM. MBSM is a SAP Standard report which is used to get the list of cancelled documents along with the reference original document. Okay, we can see here where it is available. Subsequent master data, material management, master data, subsequent settlement, environment, and here we have cancelled material document. So I will pass my plant. Okay, and posting date, let us give 16 to 18 and execute it. So here we can see the report contains the material document. Okay, for example, this is the material document 1 or 2, which is a cancelled document, and the document here, item, material, the which moment type, plant, storage location. Now here we can see the original material document when it was posted and when it was posted. See here, this was posted on 20. Okay, now we can see here this document 101. This is the original document which was cancelled. For example, if you see here, this is the document 561, the original document, and which was cancelled document is 562. From the same screen itself, we can navigate related finance documents. So in the single report, we can see the old document and the new document. Okay, and if you want to see the accounting entries, you can see from the same screen. You can use the FIFO documents tab to navigate to the accounting entries. This is 562, BSX credit, and JBB is debit. If you see this current layout, there are To move fields also, you can add it here. The quantity and end of measure. Anyway, it is available in both the cases. It's a cancelled document, so both quantity will be equal. Okay, and this is the material document, was posted and what time it was posted. All details we can see here. Okay, these details we can utilize for to get the list of cancelled material documents based on the posting date and respective plant, respective material, and which user has cancelled. What the user based on username also we can get the cancelled data and all. Okay, so I hope this report we can come to know that cancelled material documents, if you want to know, you don't have to go for a table and collect the data. We can get from this standard report MB SM, and you can check for multiple documents and cancel and which posting date, based on posting date and all, you can verify, and you can use this document to get to see the cancelled material documents. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on the subscribe button. You will see at the bottom of the video, and click on subscribe button, and if you click on this bell icon, you can give all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification immediately, so that you don't have to miss any of my new videos. And see, once you watch the video, if you really like the video and the content is helpful for your learning, don't forget to click on the like button. That will encourage to the YouTuber, not only myself, any videos. You may watch some ABAP videos, you may watch some S4HANA videos, any kind of videos in the YouTube. You just hit a like. It takes 1 second of your time, but it helps a lot to the person. And you can use this share button. You can use the share button to share in Telegram or Facebook or any kind of social networks. And if you see this description, in the description, you can check my different playlists. Okay, I mentioned all the purchasing, inventory management, discussion, WM videos. So you can use this playlist to check my videos, and you can update your skills. Thanks for your time. All the best for your future endeavors. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are safe and doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the best transaction and the best way to find all SAP standard reports. Let's go to the video. SAP 1. Go to this transaction box and give SAP 1 and click enter. So system will take you to the new menu. In this menu, for example, you open material management and inventory management. You can see only the reports, the list of reports, SAP standard reports under inventory management, purchasing, purchase requisition related reports. And if you open sales and distribution, okay, the sales related reports, inquiries, contracts. So this is the way how you can access SAP standard reports by using SAP 1. I hope it is helpful for you. Thanks for visiting our channel. Click on the subscribe and share our videos. Thank you. Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about one transaction code. So like how we have SAP 1 for all the SAP reports, there is a transaction code called SAP 2, which is providing all the analysis. So these analysis mostly getting from the structures. So it's not like directly dynamic data will come. Mostly it will come, but there will be data will be updated in the structures, and from there the data will be fetching. So analysis are it's kind of clusters, I can say. Okay, it contains the data from multiple tables, and the data is stored in structures, and from the structures the data is getting fetched and showing for our analysis. Mostly the management report analysis and all it will run. So if you want to see this kind of analysis things, go to SAP 2. Let's go to our material management and inventory management. For example, you see the inventory here. See material analysis MC.9. Okay, you can check for the respective material type or plant wise, you can run it. So this material analysis or based on the period, the inventory analysis and all these analysis kind of transactions are available under SAP 2. So mostly the management will use this one. It will have the stock and value, and the data is coming from the multiple tables, and it is stored in the structure and getting for that. If you check with ABAP for that logic also, it is too complicated to get it because the SAP itself has prepared these analysis and to provide for the management. You can see the total, what is the stock value and how much value stock is available. Okay, what is consignment stock, these kind of analysis you can see. And also, for example, ABC analysis, if you want to use it, MC40. Okay. So usage based analysis also you can get it. A lot of analyticals kind of management reports and all you can. It's a cannot say like reports. Okay, kind of analysis. It has data, but it derived from multiple tables and all. You can verify it. So this is about material management, inventory management. For example, if you go to purchasing. Okay, purchasing values. Okay, what are the purchasing value selections? Maybe if you go with vendor, okay, you can see this vendor related data. Okay. There are multiple analysis things are available. You can use this SAP 2 to access all those things. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
Good morning, everyone. If you came to our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and like the videos. You are opening a report, ME2N, list of purchase orders. When you open that, you can see that the plant GKP1 is visible by default. How it is happening? Do you want to know the reason? So then you can open your details. The transaction code is SU3. Here you can see the maintain user profile. Your user profile you can verify. Go to parameters. Okay. Here there is a parameter ID called WRK. WRK means plant maintained as GKP1, so that when you are running any standard reports, most of the standard reports, the default GKP1 plant will be visible. So that is happening from here. If you are seeing in your support system or wherever the system, you can verify the user profiles so that you can get the idea. This is happening based on the user profile default parameters. Thanks for watching. Like the video.
Hi, good morning, everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list of purchase orders which are on hold. In the same way, if you get a business requirement that when you get the list of purchase orders and you want to exclude the purchase orders which are on hold, you want to display only the normal purchase orders, but the purchase orders which are held, you don't want to display. So these two requirements can be achieved based on this report I'm going to show now. And also I'm going to tell table wise also how to get the purchase orders which are held. So the same way, if you want to get that criteria or if you want to exclude that criteria, the same thing can be achieved. Okay, let's check in the report first. ME2N. So if you see this ME2N, this is the list of purchase orders report. If you go to dynamic selections, here go to purchase document header. If you drag down, you will find field called incompleteness. Double click on that. And if you go to the options, you will see the documents which are parked and hold and which are saved as complete, normal created purchase orders. Here, if you select the option H, okay, and give your plant and execute it. So system will get the list of purchase orders which are held. Okay. So you can see the purchase order. Okay. So the purchase order is on hold, still with error messages. Okay. So you can make the respective changes and save it. In the same way, if the requirement is to exclude purchase orders which are on hold, then you use the same incompleteness. But in this case, what you are going to do, we have to come to this option. Okay, exclude single values. Okay, if you give H, if you are excluding H document on hold, then system will show the list of purchase orders, other purchase orders, except the purchase orders which are on hold. Okay, this is the way how you can get the report by excluding the purchase orders which are on hold. Same way, if you want to achieve in a table, go to SS16N EKKO table. There is a field called memory type. Okay, here you can select H means purchase orders which are on hold. So you can check it. So system will show you the list of purchase orders which are on hold. This is the way how you can get from the report and from the table. I hope this video is helpful for you when you get such kind of requirements from the business. If you really like the video, please share with your SAP cycle and first click on like button. And if you have come to our YouTube channel for the first time, please click subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get immediate notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.